Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XLE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is black sand pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder hybrid Synergy drive engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps. You have your roof side rails just in case you need some extra cargo space, and you also have that rock deflector on the front. But there's tons of stuff happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your RAV4 is this handy dandy key fob. So this is your Toyota Smart Key. It's a proximity key. You have your lock, your unlock, your power lift gate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. You can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great if you're traveling in heavy traffic or if you're on the highway. You also have your side blind zone alert, which is really nice to have as well, again, in that busy traffic. So this is a proximity key, so we're not going to be needing this anymore. I'm going to show you that you do have your keyless lock and unlock. So these two little lines here, this is your locking pad. You can just place your finger on there and it will lock all 4 doors. And then if you place your hand just on the handle, it will unlock all 4 doors for you. So that's going to be really handy. You don't have to go rummaging around your pockets or going through your bag. As long as you have your key on you, your vehicle will unlock. So you do have lots of space to get in and out. You have some nice storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel, along with your lane departure alert and your power lift gate button. You also have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat. So lots of ways to get comfortable in your drive there. And it won't be hard in this gorgeous interior, really soft material, really nice and luscious and plush. You do have your power tilt and slide sunroof there as well to let the sunshine in on those really nice road trips that you're going to be going on. And we're just gonna start this up. We'll take a look at some more technology features. You do have that push button start there. So we're gonna start that up, and you won't hear a lot of noise because it is that hybrid, and that ready button is going to tell you that you're ready to go. So taking a look at the odometer, you only have 24,840 kilometers, lots of life left on your RAV4. Moving a little bit further back, you have this great leather wrapped steering wheel, and then you have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want as well. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice command, and then you have your mode changer just below that. On the right-hand side, this is your navigation for your central information display. So this is going to give you all of your Toyota Safety Sense options there, any messages that your vehicle might have. Now this is your dynamic radar cruise control setting. So if I just push this on and then we touch this dynamic radar cruise control set button here, this is going to give you your distance so you can see the distance that you're setting. That's going to be really handy for you, again, on those really great road trips that you're going to be going on with the family. You also have your information there. So this is going to give you your average fuel economy, your energy monitor for your hybrid engine. You have your sway time, so you can set your rest time. It'll give you a little bit of an alarm there. You have your cruise control right back here, and again, your dynamic radar cruise control is just above that. And then taking a look at your entertainment system now, really great entertainment system, awesome touchscreen, nice and big. And then you have your AM FM radio. You also have your CD player, your USB, and your audio input. And then you have your Bluetooth audio player as well. So that's going to be really great for you. Within your car options, this is going to give you, again, your trip information. You're going to be able to see how your electric motor is running. You can take a look at your past driving history, things like that. And then you have your phone app there as well. So that's going to be really great for you. Taking a look a little bit further down, you have your dual zone climate control. That's really nice if somebody's traveling with you and they run a little warmer or cooler than yourself. And then moving down from there, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You have your windshield wiper defrost. And then here's where you'd plug in your audio input and your USB. Then you have a 12-volt DC plug-in there in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. You also have your 3 different driving modes. That's going to be really nice to play around with. That sport mode is really fun. And then moving a little bit further back, again, you have that sport mode. Really fun to drive that way. You have a couple of cup holders there. And then you have a 2-level center console. So this is going to give you a lot of storage for those smaller items that you want to take along with you. Moving a little bit further in, we have a nice big glove box here for you, so you can fit lots of things in there. And then you have a little cutout at the top there as well for your passenger. Lots of really great things happening in the front of the RAV4. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Alrighty, so taking a look at the back of your RAV4, I wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper. That's going to be really handy for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your trailer hitch receiver attached there, and then you have your rear vision camera just here. And I did mention that we have a power lift gate, so we're just going to click our fob here. We're going to open this up and we'll take a look at the amount of cargo space you have. Now, a really great thing about the RAV4 is people love the cargo space, and you have an added bonus with this particular RAV4 because you do have your all-weather floor mats, your cargo mat there to keep your vehicle nice and clean. You also have your cargo cover accessory, which is going to be really handy for those large shopping trips. And I'm just going to set these seats down so you can see just how much space you have. So there's the first seat down, and as you can see, you can carry something a little bit longer and then still fit two people in the back comfortably with that 60-40 split rear seat. And there's your second seat down. So again, as you can see, tons and tons of space in here, a nice amount of cargo mat covering so you can keep your vehicle nice and clean. And when you're finished loading in all of your gear, you can either use your fob or you can use this button here, and that power lift gate will come right back down for you and will give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4. Giving you a final glimpse then of the 2017 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XLE. You have some tint on those back windows, giving your passengers and your cargo just a bit of privacy. And there's lots that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, speak to one of our product advisors. They're here to help, ask all of the questions. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.